quiz on Monday. Everything on here will be on the quiz. There's problems. There's 27 problems. There's problems on the back. I'll do a couple of them on each so you know. So these questions will be definitely on there. It'll be first question like this, second question like this, third question like this, okay? So I'll do 3, 4, and 5, 4, 5, and 6, and you do 1, 2, and 3. We did 1 in class. 2, I did it in, I didn't complete it, okay? So 2 I did not do it right. I better do 2, so you can erase and change it, please. That's what happens when you do last minute. To the third, this is to the k to the 6th, this is number 1, this is 2 to the third, negative 3 power. Now I cannot move anything yet because I have to multiply it to this here. Do this. 5k to the 10, m to the third. Well, this is multiplication, so you have to add these and this together. So m to the third plus 3. You need to show work like this tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hate this thing. Okay, it doesn't. Alright, let's see. Don't want to have to start all over. Okay. I don't know where it lost you, but in class we did it to here, and then I moved everything. I cannot do that. I have this other side, so I have to bring it down. And notice these two, you add them together, and k to the negative 6, 10 plus the negative 6. Okay, and then 2 and 5 are different. So 5 times 2 to the negative 3. So my answer is 5 times negative 2 to the negative 3, k to the 4th, and m to the 6th. Cannot solve because of this, so we need to move it to the bottom. Equals to 5 stays on top because it's a 1 exponent, k to the 4th, m to the 6th, all over 2 to the 3rd. Now you can do 5k to the 4th, m to the 6th, and 2 to the 3rd, which is 8. So 5/8, like that. That's your final answer. Okay? So I'll leave this one for you. This one, make sure it's an invisible one. Distribute and move only if it's negative. You cannot solve. Okay, I'll do this one here. Get rid of the smaller of the two. Now negative numbers are smaller than minus. You minus when you divide. Minus a negative 8. Okay, like that. So that's a plus plus. Move the smaller one of these. That one. Minus a negative 7, right? Plus plus. And every, this is, and reduce, next reduce these, divide by 2, which is 3 over 4. It's 6 over 8. You reduce 6 over 8 to 3 over 4. All right? Okay, then x here is x to the 14th. This x here becomes a 1. Okay, multiply. This y is a 1 because we cross it out. Anytime we cross out, it's a 1. The y in the denominator is y to the 16th. So your answer then is 3x to the 14th over 4y to the 16th. Okay? That's important to remember. So you work this on your own. Make sure you understand. If you don't, I'll be here. Uh-oh. Can't ask me. We did these two in class. So I'll leave you to understand this on your own. Okay. Okay, I'll do number 11. And then the back page, probably number 27 and 28, right? Find all missing angles. Okay, this angle. They're side by side like this. It's 180 degrees. 5x minus 20 plus x plus 8 equals to a supplementary angle of 180. Okay, so combine like terms. These are alike. I get 6x. This is a negative 20 plus 8. That's a negative 12 equals to 180. Add 12, add 12. You get 0, 6x equals to 192. Divide by 6. 18, 12. So it's 32. X is 32. We're finding all missing degrees, so x is 32 plus 8, so this is 40. If that's 40, this is 140. Makes 180, okay? These are congruent to each other here and here. These are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. They are congruent. So you write 4x minus 18 is congruent to x plus 36. And you solve it like if it was an equal sign, as if this congruent sign is not there. So you solve it as an equal sign, even though it means congruent. Minus x, you get 3x minus 18. If you're more comfortable, leave it there. Equals to 36. Add 18, add 18. 3x equals to 54, right? Divide by 3, divide by 3. You get 18. X is 18. Well, let's find all the degree. If x is 18 here, 18 plus 36 is 54 degrees for this one. And this other one is also 54 times 18 minus, right? 4 times 18 and then minus 18 should be 54 degrees. Okay, if that's 54, then this is 126 degrees, 126 degrees. Okay, makes 180, that's why. Okay, I'll go ahead and do the last page, which is, what I did not do on here in class. List all pairs of alternate interior angles. Determine measurement of all angles. We did that in class. Yes. How are you? Tired. What's up?
This is
Yes, I accidentally marked.
She said you could do it while you.
Okay, she was here. Here you go. Take this back from me, please. I already talked to her, and she figured who I marked by accident, because their name is on top or below, and hers was next to it.
Yeah.
Made a mistake. Okay, determine the measurement of all angles. Alrighty, and let's see, we did 17. We solved it. We set it up because it's 180 degrees. We put x plus 32 plus x plus 8 equals 180, right? Solve that. And this one, because they're vertical angles, they are congruent. So we wrote 2x plus 96 congruent to 8x, and solve that. Okay, and when we solve this, we got x was equal to 70. So x is 70. 70 plus 8, this is 78. And this is 102. Right? So vertical angles are congruent. 102, 78. Alternate interior are congruent. 102. And then this is vertical angles are congruent, that's 78, 78, right? So you need to put in all the angles. When you solve this, you got x equals 2, 16. So you put in 8 times 16. We got that to be 128 degrees. This is also 128. They're vertical angles. They are congruent. This is 52 degrees then. Alternate interior are congruent. That's 52, 52, 128, and then 128. Fill in all of it, okay? So I'll explain this one. Identify all interiors. Interior angles here, angle 78 is congruent to, I forgot to do that part. Okay, you saw